Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about a shortcut method for multiplication of two-digit numbers. By using this method, you will be able to do multiplication within fraction of a second. Let me take this example, 21 multiplied by 23. The traditional way of doing this multiplication is like this, 21 multiplied by 23, which is equal to, first we have to multiply this 3 with 1, will get 3, and this 3 will multiply with 2 will get 6, then 2 will be multiplied with 1 will get 2, and then 2 will multiply with this 2 will get 4. So my answer, and after that we have to add everything. So we'll get 384. This is my answer. Now let's do this multiplication with this shortcut method, and I will teach you this method step by step. So first we have to write both the digits like this, ones place and tens place like this. Here my answer will come. Correct. So first step over here is multiply both the digit at ones place, means we have to multiply this 3 with 1, we'll get 3, and this 3 will come at the ones place of my answer, and I will write here. And step second is multiply this 3 with 2 and add this with this, means the product of 2 with 1. So we'll get 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8, and this is my tens place of my answer. So I will write here 8. And step 3 is multiply the digits at tens place, means 2 multiplied by 2. I will get 4, and this is my last, means 100th place of my answer. To do calculations, you have to remember all these 3 steps in your mind and try to do all the calculations in your mind. Let me take 2-3 examples to train our brain so that we will be able to do the multiplication of two-digit number within fractions. Step 1 is we have to multiply this 2 with 3, will get 6. So here 6 will come. Second step is we have to multiply this 2 with 1 and then add the multiplication of this 1 with 3, 1 into 3. So my answer will be 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Here 5 will come. And last step is we have to multiply this with this, 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So my answer is this. Let me take one more example. Let's multiply 31 with 13. So first step is we have to multiply this 3 with 1, we'll get 3. And second step is we have to multiply this 3 with 3, we'll get 9, plus this 1 with 1, which is equal to 10. So here what we have to do, we'll write this 0 at tens place of my answer, and this 1 will carry forward. So next step is we have to multiply this 1 with 3, we'll get 3, and this carry forward 1. We have to add this, we'll get 4. So my answer is 403. Take one more example. Let's multiply 41 with 45. So first step is 5 multiplied by 1 will get 5. And next step is we have to multiply this 5 with 4 will get 20, and this 4 with 1 will get 4. So this is equal to 4. So 4 I will write at tens place, and 2 is my carry forward. So next we have to multiply this 4 with 4. 4 into 4, which is equal to 16, and we have to add this 2 in this 16 will get 18. So here my answer is 1845. So see, within the fraction of second we find out this multiplication. So next let me take one more example, 99 multiplied by 99. So first is we have to multiply this 9 into 9, 81. So 1 I will write at ones place, and this 8 is my carry forward. So next I have to multiply this 9 with 9 plus this 9 with 9. So it will become 81 plus 81, which is equal to 162, and then add this 8. So my answer will be 170. So here 0 will come at tens place, and this 17 is my carry forward now. So last step is we have to multiply this 9 with 9, which is equal to 81, and add 17 to this 81. So I will get 8 and 9. So my answer is 9801. Let me take one more example. 34 multiplied by 45. So first step is we have to multiply 5 with 4. We'll get 20. I write 0 here and 2 is my carry forward. And after that I have to multiply this 5 with 3. We'll get 15. 4 with 4 I'll get 16, which is equal to 31. And with this 31 I have to add 2. So I will get 33. So 3 I will write here. This 3 is my carry forward, and then I have to multiply this 4 with 3. I will get 12, and this 3 I have to add. I will get 15. So my answer is 1530. We have seen that with the help of this method we are able to do multiplication of two-digit number very fast and very easily also. So try to do these questions with the help of this method, and I must say, train your brain and start using this multiplication method. Thank you everyone for watching my video.